Hey guys, this is really quick. I just wanted to shoot this impromptu video just to let you know that we are doing something exciting that I'm really excited about. We have recently just joined the community program, and the reason for joining this program is because I wanted to be able to provide you guys easier access for me, for any kind of questions, any kind of promotions, any kind of information that you kind of need, right? You guys have been asking so many different questions on all of the platforms that I am on, and let's just face it, with almost over 20,000 people collectively on my platforms, a lot of those messages I miss. So I don't want you to think, oh, she's just not answering my questions. I miss them, especially the ones in my DMs. Like, my DMs get flooded every day. So by joining community, this is a way, because it's via text message, right? This is a way that I can still provide access to you guys, and you're getting just questions, or questions and answers, whatever it is, from me directly. You're not going through the team. You don't have to send a support ticket or whatever the case may be. This, you can get your questions answered right away. And not to mention, you may need a reference to where to get this. I get a lot of these questions all the time. Where can I get this? Where can I get that? Or how can I find this? Or what course is this? Or what do you have? Now you have access to me because I keep my phone on me all the time, all day. So I don't have to check an email. I don't have to check into a platform to see what the question is. And I don't have to check the DMs because the DMs, like I said, are flooded. I kid you not. So all you got to do is click the link below and just enroll into the community tribe, right? Now you have to enroll. Otherwise, I will not be able to send you a response or a text message because you have to give me permission to text you. Now you guys know how I am. I'm not gonna send you a bunch of texts about a bunch of fluff. 9 times out of 10, the information I send out is helpful. And honestly, this is a way that, like I said, you have direct access to me. You have a question? Submit it through a text, right? You wanna know what course is available? Send it through a text. Or you wanna know how you can join something? Send it through a text. So I'm excited about this because, like I said, everyone has their phones all day. And I thought long and hard about it. And you know, a lot of you guys, sometimes you will go and issue a support ticket or something like that, but you don't get response right away. So this way you can. So again, click the link below. It goes directly to my text number, and you will sign up, and you will now be a part of the community tribe. See you guys on the inside, and speak to you soon. Bye, guys.